Welcome to weatherbriefings.com. Today is Thursday, March 7th. This is your update for southern Michigan and northern Ohio. And let's take a look at this morning's headlines. This morning we could see some scattered snow showers possible across the east, maybe a few flurries down in northern Ohio, possibly a snow shower or two in Detroit area. Not expecting much back towards Lansing or the west. Likely no accumulations with this, just a light snow shower. But we should see some clearing even this afternoon into the evening, and that should stick for into the weekend, at least through Saturday for most of the area. We will see a chance for rain and snow return on Sunday, possibly even Saturday night for Lansing and into Detroit as a new system moves in, and this will continue into the start of our work week into Monday. Taking a look at our satellite imagery here, for the most part we have some overcast skies, some low clouds indicated by the grayer colors. These blues and greens indicate colder clouds which are higher in the atmosphere, so these are some taller clouds associated with the nor'easter system that's affecting New England. But for our area, for the most part we have mostly cloudy skies, but nothing in terms of any precipitation at this time that we should be too concerned about anyway. Taking a look at our radar mosaic, we see what appears to be some perhaps lake effect snow showers that are happening down near Cleveland, maybe close to the Detroit area, but observations right now are not showing that this is reaching the ground. But this is why we'll include a chance for a couple snow showers earlier this morning before this moves out later this afternoon. But again, nothing, given the fact that we're not seeing any observations showing this is reaching the ground right now, doesn't give us any reason to believe there should be any accumulations associated with this. For Tiffin at least, it should stay off to the east, and Lansing as well should stay off to the east. So our main concern right now would be a couple showers passing through Detroit at some point this morning. Getting a broader picture now of our temperatures and wind fields, we can see we'll start off with cold temperatures for the next day or two before we start to see a warm up towards the end of the week. We'll be under the influence of a high pressure system, which will allow clearer skies to drop our temperatures down a little bit. And then towards the end of the week, we will get a ridge to build in that'll allow some of this warmer air to move up. And you see right behind it, we do have a cold front that will be developing in this area here that will be affecting us later on Sunday. And this also will provide the chance for some more rain for our area. One other thing I want to show today is this is called the 500 millibar vorticity chart, and this gives a depiction of how the spin of the atmosphere currently is. So the brighter colors indicate areas of spin, and more towards Sunday we see this area, elongated area of vorticity developing in the plains, and this will develop our next low pressure system that will affect us over the weekend. And the other thing to notice is the ridge pattern that does develop over the next couple of days, and that's what's going to draw up the warmer air from the southern states into the Great Lakes region. That'll give us a slight warm up into the weekend. Taking a look at our model forecast now. This is for earlier this morning, and we can see that some of the moisture lingers around in this area. Obviously it's not this widespread, but this gives a chance for occasional light snow shower for this area, so that's what we're keeping in the forecast for now. But again, this should move out by this afternoon. Pushing through into the weekend, we see that skies do clear out. We do see a warm up with our 540 line, which our freezing line does push further north of the area. But heading into Sunday, Saturday afternoon here into Sunday here, we do see that this front does start to develop and should have a good cold front with associated rain shield in front of it, and this should pass through the area on Sunday. And as it does pass through, we'll get the chance for some, maybe Detroit might have a chance for into Monday, light chance for some snow showers. But most of it appears will stay rain for now. We will keep an eye on this, and there may be some rain-snow mix for Lansing and even northern Ohio during this time period, depending on how close that freezing line is to the area. Behind the system, it will, again, similar to today, we'll have some residual moisture that will move in, and we could see some light snow showers into Tuesday evening, overnight into Wednesday for northern Ohio and Michigan. So we'll keep an eye on that, and those I wouldn't expect to be any major events. Those will be just light snow showers, may see an inch or two at most as of now. That's further out, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. Then headed into late next week into the weekend, we will see another slight warm-up as another ridge builds in to the area before we'll see another system start to develop in the plains towards the weekend of next week and the start of the work week of the 18th. Taking a look back at our headlines, we may see some scattered snow showers this morning, mainly in Detroit area. I don't expect Lansing or Northern Ohio, especially western towards Tiffin, to expect much. May see a few flurries here and there. Clearing will be taking place this afternoon into the evening, heading into the weekend, and we'll see a chance for some rain and snow return Sunday into Monday. And don't expect any accumulation right now as our model shows, but we will be keeping an eye on that heading into next week. This has been meteorologist Jeff Nelson for weatherbriefings.com. Thank you for tuning in and have a great morning.